According to the cognitive load theory developed by John Sweller in 1991, we have a limited amount of working memory available to process new information into schemas in long-term memory. In turn, long-term memories can be pulled into working memory to aid with the construction of new schema. However, what happens when new schema are not necessary? That is, the learner already has substantial prior knowledge or expertise in this area. What happens when there is significant contradiction between the new information and the new schema? It turns out that as learners gain in expertise, the multimedia design principles for presenting novel information lose their advantage and eventually become disadvantageous. Again, as expertise increases, the effectiveness of multimedia principles that aid novice learners, such as the modality principle, worked out example principle, the signaling principle, and others, decreases. This effect, called the expertise reversal effect, was identified by Slava Kaliuga in 2003 and has massive implications for the field of instructional design. But how could this be so? What is happening? One part of the problem is that the new information may be largely redundant to the more expert learner, but still requires use of cognitive resources to process, resulting in a redundancy effect. More expert learners are able to adequately process diagrams or written text on their own, and still have cognitive resources available to expand on making connections between different items and actively build upon their existing schema.